In a significant turn of events, President-elect Trump has urged the U.S. Supreme Court to postpone the impending ban on TikTok until he assumes office. His goal? To personally negotiate a deal to keep the popular social media platform operational. As tensions rise with the January 19th deadline closing in, Trump's latest move promises a dramatic resolution to the TikTok saga, combining national security concerns with the complexities of political power transitions. In recent court filings, Trump's legal team submitted an amicus brief. It requests the Supreme Court grant him the ability to handle TikTok's future through political channels once he is inaugurated. The filing emphasizes Trump's consummate deal-making expertise and describes him as uniquely prepared with the electoral mandate and political will to broker a solution. This appeal arises amid concerns that the ban may infringe upon First Amendment rights, with debates over national security poised to intersect with questions of constitutional law. The urgency of this matter cannot be understated. The Supreme Court has agreed to consider arguments that the bill advocating the TikTok ban could violate freedom of speech. Importantly, the legal framework allows the current or incoming president to delay the ban, particularly if significant steps are taken to separate TikTok from its Chinese parent company, ByteDance. With the current cutoff date slated for January 19th, Trump contends that he needs additional time to address these issues without expediting the Supreme Court's need to make historical decisions under pressure. Trump's request is particularly notable given his history with TikTok. As president, he initiated the push to ban the app, citing it as a potential risk due to its Chinese connections. This dramatic shift comes after Trump's own entry into TikTok, which reportedly influenced his perspective on the platform's value and reach. Following this change, Trump even called on TikTok users to support him, framing the app's fate as contingent upon his political success. Adding to the intrigue, Trump has actively engaged with TikTok's leadership. Reports detail a conversation with TikTok CEO Shou Chew following the Supreme Court filing. Their interaction, coupled with a meeting held 2 weeks earlier at Trump's Mar-a-Lago residence, highlights the evolving nature of these discussions. During the Mar-a-Lago event, Trump reportedly voiced a consideration to keep this sucker around for a little while, underscoring his shifting stance. Trump's reconsideration of TikTok pivots amidst other political activities. Notably, several senators and congressmen, including Mitch McConnell and Ro Khanna, have submitted petitions opposing TikTok's appeal to the Supreme Court. These legislative pressures are composed against the backdrop of broader geopolitical implications tied to international tech, data privacy, and U.S.-China relations. As the January deadline looms, the case gains prominence not only for its immediate impact on TikTok and its millions of users, but also for its wider significance in the tech industry and international relations. This unfolding situation sketches out questions central to the intersection of technology, privacy, and governance. How far should a government intervene in digital platforms to ensure national security? And what role does political leadership play in balancing economic interests with security concerns? The outcome of this legal challenge will likely reverberate beyond the tech world. It may set precedents for how the U.S. navigates the increasingly complex digital landscape, where global connectivity intersects with national interests. For now, all eyes are on the Supreme Court's response and how Trump plans to leverage his incoming presidency to influence these high-stakes negotiations. This is not just a story about an app, but a window into the evolving interface between politics, technology, and law. As the countdown continues, the resolution of this dispute could prove transformative, emphasizing the crucial role of unified political leadership in handling international affairs effectively. The world waits to see if Trump's self-proclaimed negotiating prowess will change the course of this fast-evolving story, affecting millions of users and adding another layer to his political legacy.